All right, I've installed this lock on the door here, and you give it a tug, and it's locked. And there's a little slack there. I may put some more rubber in here. It's just the way the woodwork is on the house. And this can be released by pulling it out with your fingers. You don't need that ring. The ring makes it a little handier, but if you don't like the looks of the ring, you can just flip it out like that. Okay, now I'm going to open the door and show you the plate here. So with 8 screws, that's just not going anywhere. And again, that's how it works. Just blocks the door from being forced open.